months. Suaad Mohamud has been appealing to the Canadian government for help. Today, word she might finally be getting what she's looking for. Christine Barak reports.
32-year-old Suaad Mohamud hasn't seen her 12-year-old son in more than 3 months.
She was supposed to visit her relatives for 2 weeks, stay there for a while, and then come back.
That was in mid-May. When his mother tried to fly back to Toronto, she was stopped. Officials didn't think she looked exactly like the photograph inside the Canadian passport she was carrying. Her lips, they say, looked different.
I've never been in this horrible situation.
Mohamud then asked for help from the Canadian High Commission. Her lawyer was stunned by what Canadian officials did next.
All they did was they looked at her passport photo, they looked at her and they said, yeah, we don't think it's her.
The Canadian High Commission sent a letter to Kenyan officials saying it had confirmed the woman was an imposter. But the letter didn't say why they doubted her identity, but insisted she be arrested and charged. At the end of this week, Kenyan officials have to decide whether to deport Mohamud back to her birth country of Somalia. Hopes of being reunited with her son, who's been staying with neighbors, have been dwindling until today.
I've asked for DNA testing to be done on her. As a result, the government has agreed now to do DNA testing, but this is 2 months after she was first detained.
DNA testing would prove she is who she says she is. Her lawyer says Canadian officials have also asked the Kenyans to delay the deportation hearing.
The DNA thing really makes me happy, and I can't wait.
Ottawa isn't commenting. Foreign Affairs did issue a statement today saying the case is now before the courts. As for Mohamud, DNA testing will take at least another 10 days. Christine Barak, CBC News, Toronto.